Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and this is the top 3 things I like about the ACG MOC. Number 1, it's a moccasin. Easy to put your feet in, very comfortable, lightweight. What more would you need in a shoe? Number 2, got great traction for that urban environment. Obviously these were built for hiking, but you're not going to be hiking in these moccasins, let's be honest. So it's got great traction when you're going to do your walks in the city. And number 3, look at the insole, very comfortable. Surrounding as well, with it being a moccasin, it's just with this synthetic padded upper, it's just very comfy. That's what you need for your urban exploration and walking in general. So all that said, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.